Good morning, students. Welcome to part 1 of our chapter number 9, Soil. Soil, it is the most important natural resource, right? It is necessary for the growth of plants. It is the home for many organisms, right? It is essential for agriculture, which provides food, cloth, and shelter for all. So, it is a very important, inseparable part of our life. Okay, do you remember in the 5th standard, we have learned about different types of soil: clay soil, sandy soil, alluvial soil. याद है कुछ ऐसा? 5th standard में पढ़ा था, right? Then the different characteristics of this soils, we have learned about it. Do you remember? याद करने की कोशिश करना थोड़ा. We have learned about it, right? The alluvial soil, the sandy soil, the clay soil, then water holding capacity, water draining capacity. पढ़ा था ना ये सब? Okay. Now, what is there in the soil? Soil में आपको क्या क्या मिलेगा? You will find, yes, plants के, animals के कुछ रिमेनिंग्स होंगे, ग्रास होगी, लीव्स होगी, है ना? Also some small animals you can see like ants, earthworms, insects, houseflies, mosquitoes, right? And the garbage also, paper, plastic, all these things, right? Okay, the table over here is given, table 9.1. The source is given, what plant products, what animals you can find, and anything else, any other observation. Suppose you are taking the soil of a garden. So in garden soil, what can you get of plants? The grass, the leaves, right? The small branches. Okay. About animals, you can find ants, worms, yes. And what other things you can find? Yes, paper, polythene, that वो तो आपको हर जगह पे मिलेगा mostly. Then soil from roadside. Roadside की soil में क्या होगा? पेड़ के सूखे पत्ते, dry leaves, right? Then yes, parts of plants जो टूट गए. Then about animals, ants, mosquitoes, right? That all things you can find. Then anything else? Plastic, paper, वो तो हर जगह पे मिलेगा. So you can fill the table, right? Then soil profile. How is a soil made, or what all things are there in the soil? Soil is composed of distinct layers. So to find the layers, you can do an activity. Take a little soil, right? Break the clumps, and now fill a glass 3/4 of water and put a handful of soil in it. Stir it well to dissolve the soil. Now let it stand undisturbed for some time. Take the soil and dissolve it in a glass of water. Then let it remain undisturbed for some time. After some time, you can find like this the layers of the soil. सबसे नीचे जो सबसे भारी कचरा होगा, right? The stones and all that is called gravels, वो बैठ जाएगा. Then उसके ऊपर होगी sand, then the clay, then the water, and above all the things which can float on water, that is humus. So these are all the layers of the soil. The rotting dead matter in the soil, it is called humus. You probably know that the soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks by the action of wind, water and climate. सॉइल कैसे बनती है? जो रॉक्स है वो जब टूटते जाते हैं, they break down and form soil. They break down either due to wind, either due to water, due to climatic change, anything. This process is called weathering. What is it called? Formation of soil from the rock due to wind, water and climate. This is called weathering. Right? The nature of any soil depends upon the rocks from which it has been formed and the type of vegetation that grows in it. Soil कैसी है वो किसके ऊपर डिपेंड होता है? From what type of rock it is made, right? And what type of vegetation is grown in it. A vertical section through different layers of the soil is called the soil profile. So this is called a soil profile. You can see the different layers of the soil, right? The vertical portion, this is called a soil profile. Each layer differs in texture. उसको फील करेंगे तो आपको सब अलग दिखेगा. In color, depth and chemical composition. These layers are referred to as horizons. आप जितना अंदर जाओगे सॉइल में, ठीक है ना, वो हमने देखे लेयर्स ऑफ सॉइल. नाउ द सॉइल प्रोफाइल. सॉइल में जितना अंदर जाओगे यू विल गेट डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सॉइल. उसका कलर चेंज होगा, उसका टेक्सचर अलग अलग होगा जितना आप नीचे जाओगे ना उतना. So these are referred to as horizons. You can see the picture: A horizon, B horizon, C horizon and the bedrock. Right? We usually see the top surface of the soil, not the layers. If we look at the sides of the recently dug ditch, we can see the inner layers of the soil. अगर ताज़ा खड्डा है उसको आप देखोगे तो उसकी साइड्स में आपको डिफरेंट हॉरिजॉन्स जो है सॉइल के वो दिखेंगे. यू कैन सी द डिफरेंट कलर लेयर ऑफ सॉइल. Such a way will enable us to observe the soil profile at that place. Soil profile can also be seen while digging a well or laying the foundation of a building. ठीक है ना? It can also be seen at the sides of a road or a hill or at a steep river bank. So in any such places you can see the soil profile. हर जगह की soil profile अलग अलग होती है. The uppermost horizon is generally dark in color as it is rich in humus and minerals. The humus makes the soil fertile and provides the nutrients to the growing plants. सबसे ऊपर वाली soil generally dark होती है color में because it contains lot of humus and minerals, which makes the soil very fertile and helps the plant to grow properly. This layer is generally soft, porous and can retain more water. ऊपर वाली layer soft होती है. Porous means yes, the air and water can move easily inside and outside it. That is porous and it can retain more water. वो ज़्यादा पानी ले सकती है. It is called the top soil or the A horizon. सबसे ऊपर वाली, right? A horizon. Okay. We will continue it in the next video. The homework is you have to read page number 98 and 99, right? So then you can understand the types of soil. Thank you.